Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to paragraph writing class. Today we'll talk about last week's material and some exercises. Okay, alright, let's take a look at these 4 sentences. There are some missing blanks, missing words there in the blanks, and there are some options here that you can put in the blanks to complete the sentence. Okay, let us do the first one. Let's do this together. I'm sure you can do it with me. Okay, the topic sentence is usually the first sentence in a paragraph. It gives the topic and the main idea. Do you get them right? B, the first sentence of a paragraph should be indented. C, the supporting sentences come after the topic sentence and they explain the topic sentence. D, the concluding sentence comes at the end of a paragraph. Alright. Okay, so today our agenda is writing process. I will show you that writing is a process that consists of several steps. Okay, and then analysis. You will analyze some of the sample paragraphs taken from your friend's work from the previous pretest. And after that, you're going to present the result of your discussion. You will send the result of the discussion in our forum, and you can do it with your friends, so you don't have to do it alone. You can talk about it with your friends. And conclusion, I want you to reflect on your learning about the parts of a good paragraph. Do you understand everything? If not, which one have you not understood? Okay. Alright, this is the writing process. Writing consists of several steps. Yeah. The first one is drafting. So when you want to write something, you have to draft it first. You have to think about it, brainstorm, and then outline the important things that you want to write, and then you collect the vocabulary that you're going to write. You do some research, and then you make a mind map, for example. So that is the process of drafting. It's a long process, I guess. For example, if I want to write something, I usually have stick notes, and I'm outlining some of the important things that I am going to write, and then making an outline. For example, what is the beginning of my speech, or what is the beginning of my paragraph, and then what is the next thing, and the next thing, and then what is the closing, and so on. Yeah. After you are ready with the draft, you start writing. Alright. Usually the first writing, you don't have to worry about your grammar. You don't have to worry about anything. You just keep writing what's on your mind, develop the ideas from the draft, and so on. And after that, you may revise it. So the first one, you focus on the content. The second one, in the revising step, you care about your grammar, the vocabulary, the spelling, and so on. Yeah. And after that, after you revise the first draft of your writing, you edit it. You can ask somebody to read it for you and edit it. And if there are some things that you have to add, then you add some more. And make sure that your draft of writing has good grammar, vocabulary. It doesn't have spelling errors. You can use Grammarly. You can use spelling checker in the Microsoft Word to check your work. Okay. And after everything is perfect by your standards, you can publish it. You can post it on social media maybe, or you can send it to a magazine or publisher or anybody who's interested, or any institutions or any publications that are interested in publishing your work. All right. Okay, so that is the writing process. Okay, now we go to topic sentence. Topic sentence will lead your paragraph and control the content. Okay, will lead your paragraph and control the content. Alright, what is topic sentence? A topic sentence gives the reader main idea and opinion about the topic and helps readers understand what the paragraph is going to talk about. Alright, so a topic sentence usually consists of two parts. The topic is the subject that becomes the main focus. The controlling idea is the opinion about the topic. All right. For example, Indonesia is a very interesting country to visit. Learning a second language creates job opportunity. Okay, so Indonesia here is the subject, the topic, sorry, and a very interesting country to visit is a controlling idea. So when you write something about this, Indonesia is a very interesting country to visit. So you will talk about Indonesia, and then your supporting sentences will focus on how interesting Indonesia is to be visited. Okay? And learning a second language is the topic. Creates job opportunity is controlling idea. Alright, so you will talk about learning a second language, and after that you are only focusing on how learning a second language creates a job opportunities. Okay. Alright, identify the topic and controlling idea. Okay, so this is the practice for you. So later in the LMS, I post this PPT, so you can go to this PPT and see the exercise here, and you can check it. Okay, you can do it now with me. All right, but I'm not going to tell you which one is the topic and which one is the controlling idea. I'm going to just read it, and you can answer it by yourself. Alright, number one is, a really good place to study is the library at my school. Number two, soccer is my favorite sport because it is exciting to watch. Number three, one of the valuable tools for students is a laptop. Number four, my sister and I have different personalities. Number five, summer is the best time to travel in my country. Okay, so check your answer. Okay, analyze these paragraphs. Okay, later you can freeze the video, and then you can read the paragraph by yourself and then decide which one is the topic sentence of this paragraph. Anyway, I'm going to read it now. When Ken wanted to enter a good university, he studied hard to pass the examination. The first time he took the exam, he did not do well, and he felt very discouraged. But he knew he wanted to study at that university, so he studied more. The next year, he tried taking the exam again. The second time, he did very well, and now he is studying engineering. I believe Ken is a good role model for me, and he has taught me that never giving up is the best way to succeed. Alright, what do you think? Which one is the answer? Alright, I'm going to leave it to you. Alright, the next one is this. Many children begin learning to play soccer when they are very young. You often can see them playing at school or in the streets around their houses. In high school, students may play soccer on a team and compete in tournaments. If a player is very good, he might go on to play for a professional team. People in my country love to watch soccer on television and also go to the games whenever they can. Many people have a favorite team or player, and everyone loves to talk about matches and competitions. Soccer is really like a national sport in my country. Choose one of these three sentences which fit very well as a topic sentence of this paragraph. Okay, you can do it by yourself. All right, now I'd like to let you see the paragraphs. There are 6 paragraphs, and then after you read it, you identify. For example, you can highlight the first sentence. For example, is it a good topic sentence or not? And after that, you check whether the topic sentence has a topic or has a the what is that, the topic, and then the controlling idea, does it have it? And then after that, you check whether the supporting sentences really talk about or support the topic sentence, and does the sentence have a concluding sentence or not. Okay, so you take a look at that. You can also comment on the grammar, the spelling errors probably, or the vocabulary. Okay, right? And then write your opinion here, and then you can send it to our group or to our forum. And this is the 3rd paragraph. You do the same thing. The 4th paragraph, you also do the same thing. Paragraph 5, you do the same thing. Paragraph 6, you also do the same thing. Okay? Oops. Before we say goodbye, of course, you have to reflect on what you have learned from this activity. Okay? I hope you have fun. Thank you very much. All right. Good luck.